Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra brought a lot of excitement to the smartphone world, and the hype does not seem to be down in the least, at least for the time being. The demand for the S22 is way higher than the Samsung initial anticipation, and hence they are increasing the production capacity by 20%. Also, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has been in a high demand, and due to its high demand, the pre-order for the Tab S8 Ultra has been removed right now. Now even the Galaxy S22 Ultra has been sold out. Like the 1TB variant that was announced for the S22 Ultra has been sold out for every color, so definitely the demand is pretty much high. Anyway, this high demand is really anticipated because the S22 Ultra brings a lot more of improvements, and the biggest one is the camera. In modern smartphone, the image quality depends more on the optimization or AI than the actual hardware itself. Samsung introduced the S20 Ultra a couple of years ago. Everyone wrote off that its 100 times space zoom is a gimmick. The image actually looked like old painting and they were ridiculous. Things did not change much with the Galaxy S21 Ultra either, but now with the S22 Ultra we are seeing a massive difference in the quality to a point where it does not feel like these phones are a year apart. Now the 100 time of magnification is actually useful and does not look like an oil painting anymore, and the quality that has been arrived for the 100 time magnification is pretty amazing. And not just the 100 time, the other zoom levels have also been a massive improvement. Ice Universe says that the 20 times zoom on the S22 Ultra is clear as the 10x zoom on the S21 Ultra. With side-by-side comparison, it's crazy how big a difference we see between the two devices at 20 times zoom. These are the images samples at 30x zoom between the S20 Ultra, S21 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, and you can see how far they have come in just 2 years. And not just the zoom, the overall camera including the night photography, portrait photography, video and more has seen a massive improvement as well. Take a look at the edge detection here in the image and you will notice that every single detail has been preserved for the subject, whereas the rest of the things are blurred out. And in the next image, this beautiful night photo where it actually looks like it's night with a black sky and a lot of detail in the subject. It's safe to say that Samsung sits right at the top when it comes to camera, far above the iPhones and the Pixels of the world. With that being said, here's some good for the S22 buyer. You see a new chipset are built on 4nm processor, but that also means they generate a lot of heat. To counter that, Samsung has made a new cooling system where they increase the area and the vapor chamber covers, improved the heat transfer and also used another graphite sheet. A new material has been introduced to overcome the heat, and it looks like the new tech is actually working. TechCam, a video channel on YouTube, made a video with its Exynos 2200 variant where after putting the S22 Ultra through benchmarks, it actually runs cooler than the S21 Ultra. Not only that, the sustained performance of the Exynos 2200 is way better than the Exynos 2100 on the S21 Ultra, which is great news for European users. See guys, that was one of the biggest drawback of the Exynos chipset in the past, but thankfully the new AMD graphics does not seem to have that problem. We don't have any video comparison for the Exynos and Snapdragon variant of the S22 Ultra side by side, so we still don't know how they stack up with each other, but I think there must not be any big difference this year. Anyway guys, I'm super excited about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to keep yourself updated, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.